Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising on back roads, your vehicle is your lifeline. Today, we're diving into why carrying an OBD2 scanner like the Ansel FX2000 can be a game changer on your off-road adventures. An OBD2 scanner is a diagnostic tool that connects to your vehicle's onboard computer. For off-roaders, it's especially useful because it helps to quickly diagnose engine lights, ABS issues, and other sensor problems that could leave you stranded miles away from the nearest help. The Ansel FX2000 offers some solid benefits. Basic code reading and clearing. It reads trouble codes for the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, which are crucial for identifying issues mid-trail. It also does live data monitoring. You can watch real-time data like engine temperatures and RPMs to ensure your rig is running smoothly. And for me, affordability. At this price point, the FX2000 gives you features you need without breaking the bank. And these features make it a great companion for most off-road situations. And it's compact enough to keep in your glove box or recovery bag without taking up too much space. The FX2000 does have its limits. It's not a bidirectional scanner, so you can't actively control or test components like activating a fan or cycling your ABS. And it doesn't provide deep diagnostic capabilities for highly specialized systems, which might be critical in more modern or complex off-road builds. For those of you who frequently deal with advanced suspension setups, winches, and vehicles with complex electronic systems, you might want to consider a higher-end bidirectional model. A bidirectional scanner allows you to communicate with your vehicle, test individual parts, and even recalibrate systems. A big advantage if you're stuck diagnosing something tricky in the middle of nowhere. So, is it worth bringing along? Absolutely. The FX2000 or any reliable OBD2 scanner gives you a clear advantage when you're troubleshooting. Instead of guessing at the problem, you can pinpoint the issue and decide whether you can fix it on the trail or need a tow. For the price and portability, it's a must-have for every off-road recovery kit, especially for hobbyists and weekend warriors. That said, if you're building out an overland rig for serious expeditions or running a fleet of modern vehicles, upgrading to a bidirectional scanner could save you even more time and headaches. In the end, tools like the Ansel FX2000 are about preparedness. When you're miles away from the nearest road, a simple tool like this can mean the difference between getting home safely or waiting hours for help. Add it to your kit, learn how to use it, and you'll be better equipped for whatever the trail throws your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's in your recovery bag? Stay prepared, stay adventurous. See you on the trails.